going to show you how to create a logo from scratch. So if you go into here, this is the toolbox here, but we're only going to be using a few tools. So if you're brand new to Illustrator, don't worry, I'll talk you through it. It's just really quick and really easy and fun, but I'll talk you through it, not a problem. Okay, so I'll do a simple logo for this tutorial. So if I go into here, click and hold, I'll choose the ellipse tool. Now if I just click and drag, I can just play around with the ellipse tool here. If I'm looking for a circle, I can hold down shift, click and drag. That's a perfect circle there. Okay, so you can either have something like this, or we can just do a normal ellipse here. So we're looking at fills and strokes that I mentioned in the resource material. So the fills and strokes are these two here, and you can switch it to fill and then stroke, fill, stroke. Yeah. So let's have another line here. If I hold on to the Alt button, I can click and drag this. I can duplicate this like this and hold down shift and close it in slowly, and that will give me a double ellipse there. Okay, so now what I can do is I can click and select, right click, and then group it. And now I want to put my initials in here, so I'll press the letter T as a shortcut, and you'll see on the tools box it shows a T there. So one click, capital A, capital R, go back to the selection tool, click and hold shift, now you can drag it, and let's go for something a bit more fancy like Apple Chancery or something. There it is, there's Apple Chancery. Okay, that's my logo there, really quick, really easy, and I'll group it again. So this is just a black and white logo, keeping things simple, but yeah, very effective. And for example, if I want to, let's go for this, right click, ungroup it, hold down shift and scale it down. So I want something underneath here to say something like art and media or something, for example, and I can separate it with this line here. Now if I click and drag, it just goes all wavy, so delete that. But if I hold down shift and then click and drag, I get a perfect circle there. So here it is, and if I want to increase the weight of the line, I just go from here to here, 1 point. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, nice clean separation there. So then I want something, press T again, art and media. I said art and media. Okay, so hold down shift again, click and drag, art and media, and there you have it. That's your logo there designed. Now the thing is, if you want a fill to any of these, so for example the shape, you want to fill on the shape, so first of all select everything. I'll select this bit because this bit is grouped, and then you go into your swatches, you click onto any of the ellipse that you want to change color, and then you just go here, and then you can pick whichever color you want, but make sure it's the fill that you're changing and not the stroke. So if I switch here, it just goes to the fill there. Okay, and that's it. That's a quick tutorial on logo making. So I hope that's helped you. Try it out with your classes, see what they think. And let me resize this artboard here, and view. If I go to view, show transparency grid, now it's all transparent. Then you can save it to wherever you want to name it. Okay, give it a try and see what happens. Okay, that's it for now. Until next time, take care. Bye.